Cut the bathtub into manageable sections and remove them while keeping the soffit and surrounding framing intact until you can verify all connections. Start by turning off and testing water to confirm all plumbing fixtures are isolated, then drain and disconnect supply lines and the drain assembly at the access point. Score any tile or surround caulk lines and remove trim to expose the gap between tub flange and soffit so you can see how the tub is attached. Use a reciprocating saw with a bimetal or carbide blade to cut the tub lengthwise into two pieces, cutting through the tub shell only and stopping short of the surrounding framing to avoid nicking studs or soffit joists. Work from the top edge down and keep one hand on the blade guard to control vibration while a partner supports the cut section as it comes free. After removing sections, inspect the soffit cavity for hidden fasteners, adhesive beads, or blocked plumbing before removing any remaining framing. Document any damaged finishes for repair. Clean and label plumbing stubs and electrical if present, and cover exposed utilities to prevent contamination or injury while you complete framing repairs. The most common mistake is assuming the tub is only fastened at its rim, which can leave you surprised by clips or adhesives. Always expose and inspect the attachment zone before applying leverage and cut the tub if you cannot safely detach it. Another frequent issue is failing to fully shut off or disconnect plumbing, which risks flooding or injury. Trace the supply and waste lines back to a known shutoff and open drains to relieve pressure before you begin. People also underestimate the weight and awkwardness of tub sections, which causes drops that damage soffits or tile. Mitigate that by cutting into smaller pieces, using T-mates, and carrying with lifting straps or foam padding. BigHomeProjects.com links homeowners with local contractors and offers a searchable directory to find professionals and projects similar to yours. We also host a discussion community where we exchange removal tips, contractor experiences, and regional code advice to help both homeowners and contractors find work and solutions.